Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set live wallpaper on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now, if you want to set a live wallpaper on your Samsung phone, first of all, just go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this and install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on Open. From here, just tap on Accept and Continue and select Not Now. Now on this page, just select video wallpaper at the top of the screen, and from here you can select any live wallpaper which you like. For an example, I will select this one. Now to set it as your custom live wallpaper, just tap on the download icon over here and select Watch Ad. After you watch the ad, you will find the option of Set Video Wallpaper. Just tap on it, tap on Set Wallpaper, and from here, you can either select this video wallpaper as your home screen wallpaper, or you can set it as your home screen and lock screen wallpaper. I will select home screen and lock screen. Now, if I go to the home screen, as you can see, we have successfully set a live wallpaper on our Samsung phone. And this is how you can set live wallpaper on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.